अब हम पावर सेट डिस्कस करेंगे. सो पावर सेट होता क्या है? सो लेट अस हैव अ सेट इन आवर हैंड. सो लेट A be any set. Then the power set of A is a collection of all possible subsets of A. For example, if I have a set having two elements, say a set A, capital A, having two elements 1, 2, then इसके कौन से सबसेट्स पॉसिबल है? सो सबसेट के लिस्ट में सबसे पहले एम्प्टी सेट तो आता ही है, because empty set is a subset of any set. So empty set will be there. Singleton 1 is a subset of A. Singleton 2 is a subset of A. And a set itself, that is 1, 2, is a subset of A. Now put all this in a set. This set will be called as a power set of A. The power set of A is denoted as P of A. Let us have a set B having three elements 1, 2, 3. Then what are the possible subsets of B? The very first in the list is empty set. Next is singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3. Then pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 and the set itself, namely 1, 2, 3. So how many are possible? 8. Put all this in a set. This will be called as a power set of B. Let us discuss the power set of empty set. So let me have an empty set. Then what are the possible subsets of empty set? Empty is always a candidate for any set and the set itself empty. Now if I put this in a set, then there are two empties but they are same, right? So it would be singleton empty. So power set of empty set is a singleton empty set. Now let us discuss the power set of empty set. As discussed, power set of empty set is a singleton empty set. So now I have to look at all possible subsets of singleton empty set. So the very first would be empty set and the next would be the singleton empty set. Now if I put this in a new set, then empty and singleton empty, these two are not same. So there are two elements in power set of empty set. Now you can think of power set of empty set. The solution is there in the description. There is a notion of cardinality of a set. So what is the cardinality of a set? It is simply count the number of elements in a particular set. That count will be called as a cardinality of a set. For example, if I have a set A having elements A, B, C, D, then cardinality of this set is 4 because there are 4 elements in that set. If I define a set B to be the collection of all alphabets in English letters, then it is a set having 26 elements. There is a relation between the number of elements in a set and its power set. Namely, if there is a set A having n elements, then its power set will have 2 raised to n elements. Now knowing the meaning of cardinality, we can discuss the principle of inclusion exclusion. The principle of inclusion exclusion gives you the formula to compute the number of elements in A union B, and that can be found using this formula. So the number of elements in A union B is equal to the number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B minus the number of elements of A intersection B. Now let us discuss more about this. Okay, so let us visualize the same thing. I have a set A and set B. Now as I don't know the nature of A and B, whether they intersect, whether they are disjoint, let us draw it in this. So as I want the number of elements in A union B, it is first the number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B. But if you look at the common part, that part is counted in A as well as in B. That means the intersection part is counted twice. So I have to remove that intersection part once. That is why the number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B minus the number of elements in A intersection B. We will discuss more example in the next video.